In this video, I want to show you how to answer Euclidean geometry questions in a correct way. The first thing that I would advise is for you to read the statement that you are given. After reading the statement, try to use what you were told on the statement and your knowledge to fill in the diagram. One thing that I want to stress out is that do not assume that something is something unless you can prove it otherwise. And therefore, it is crucial for you to read the statement. In the diagram, PQRT is a cyclic quadrilateral in a circle such that PT equal to TR and QR are produced to meet in S. TQ is drawn as angle QP equal to 70 degrees. What do we notice? PT is equal to TR. Equal chords subtends equal angles, meaning that TQ will bisect S angle QP. So if S angle QP is equal to 70 degrees, angle Q1 and angle Q2 will be half the size of S angle QP. Angle Q1 will be half the size of S angle QP. Angle Q2 will be half the size of S angle QP. So S angle QP is 70 degrees. Angle Q1 will be half 70 degrees. So angle Q1 will be 70 degrees multiplied by 1 over 2. Because TQ bisects S angle QP. So Q2 equal to Q1 equal to 35 degrees. You can just use that. You can use it. This angle will be equal to 35. This angle is 35. It's 35. Then we have 35 this side as well. We also have 35. We have 35. We have 35. But we know that the whole of that angle, let me just put it somewhere where you'll be able to see it. The whole of that angle is 70 degrees. 35 plus 35 gives us 70 degrees. Okay. PQRT is a cyclic quad. We have an exterior angle of a cyclic quad. We have an exterior angle of a cyclic quad. This exterior angle will be equal to 70 degrees. PQRT is a cyclic quad. We have opposite angles of a cyclic quad. And opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. So 180 minus 70 will give us something like, okay, let's see. 180 minus 70 will give us 110. So this angle is 110. By this angle, I'm referring to angle T2 plus angle T3. I'm referring to this angle. This is the angle that I'm referring to, which is P angle TR. P angle TR is 110. Okay. So in this triangle, already I have this angle. Already I have this angle. What else do I have? What else do I have? Okay, so far there's nothing that I can come up with. Okay, but I know that angle P plus angle R2 equal to 180 degrees, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. And that R2 plus R1 equal to 180 degrees, adjacent angles on a straight line. And that R1 is equal to angle P. R1 is equal to angle P, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Maybe this will come in handy when we answer the questions. We'll just check, what do the questions say? What do the questions say? What is it that is required from you to do? Okay, and at the same time, angle R1 is an exterior angle of this triangle TRQ. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite. But for now, we don't know angle T2. We don't know, we know angle Q2, but we don't know angle T2. Okay, I think we've collected enough information to be able to answer the questions. So let's look at the question. The question says, calculate with reasons the size of angle T1. Okay, the size of angle T1. Angle T1 is equal to SQP. Is equal to SQP. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral will be your reason. The size of angle Q1, I've already explained that TQ bisects SQP. So angle Q1 will be equal to 35 degrees. Your reason could be either TQ bisects as angle QP, or you can say equal chords subtends equal angle, or equal chords equal angle. So Q1 is 35 degrees. If it is further given that PQ, okay, let's look at PQ. PQ is parallel to TR. Calculate with reasons the size of angle T2. Calculate with reasons. So if this line is given to be parallel to this line, angle T2 will be equal to angle Q1. These are alternate angles. And then you mention the parallel lines. Say alt angles, you mention the parallel lines. You are done. T2 equal to 35 degrees. Okay, we have T2 as 35 degrees. We have Q2 as 35 degrees, meaning that the size of this angle will be equal to 70 degrees. Therefore, we can say ST is equal to SR. Sides opposite equal angles. So what will be the size of angle S? Angle S will be equal to 180 degrees minus 2 times 70. And 2 times 70 will give us 140. So angle S will be 180 minus 140. Angle S will be 180 minus 140, which is 40 degrees. Angle S is 40 degrees. We have 70 here. We have 40. Okay. There's no need for us to calculate angle P. But if we have to calculate it, it must give us 70 degrees. We have 40, we have 70. Let's add them up. 40 plus 70, 40 plus 70, which equal to 110. And then 180 degrees from the sum of angles in a triangle minus 110. It gives us 70 degrees. There was no need, because already we've shown that R1 is an exterior angle of this cyclic quad. It will be equal to the interior opposite. Okay? We have 70 here. We have 35. What will be the size of angle T3? 70 plus 35, you add them up. You subtract the answer from 180. It gives you 105. 180 minus 105 will give you the size of angle T3, which is 75 degrees. Okay, T3 is 75 degrees. Okay, let's check the other questions. It says prove TR over TS equal to RQ over RS. We are going to use the theorem that says line drawn parallel one side of a triangle cuts the other two sides so as to divide them in the same proportion. So they're saying TR, okay? They're saying TR. We're going to say PT over TS is equal to RQ over RS. And the reason for this will be line parallel one side of a triangle, or you can say prop theorem. After you say prop theorem, you mention the parallel lines. If it is further given that TR is parallel to PQ, so the parallel lines will be PQ, TR. So you'll have PT over TS, PT over TS equal to QR over RS. Prop theorem. But do not forget that TR is equal to PT. TR is equal to PT, meaning that you can replace PT by TR. You can replace PT by TR. Then you're done. You'll have TR over TS. You'll have TR over TS equal to QR over RS. Remember that QR is the same thing as RQ. That's how you can answer Euclidean geometric problems. Read the statement, try to fill in the diagram using the statement that you are given. Then after, check the questions. You will find out that whatever that you wrote on this diagram provided is there on the questions that you are asked. If it's not there, some of the questions will just be an addition. So you take this one, 7.2, you take 7.2 as an additional information. If it is further given, it is an additional information. It is that information that was not provided on the statement. Nothing has changed. They just added another thing on the questions. So you take that statement, the additional statement, you put it into good use on the diagram before you can even say calculate with reasons. Try to see what you can find out of the diagram, looking at the additional information that you